the 3D solid modeling commands in Vectorworks are now much more flexible and intuitive. No need to start again when something needs to be changed, letting you experience more natural and iterative modeling. With history-based modeling, it's easy to go back and make changes as your design develops. By simply double-clicking on a solid object, or right-clicking on the object and choosing Edit, you can navigate back through the previous operations. After entering the Edit mode, you're able to modify the most recent modification to the solid. Or you can move further back in the history of the object to edit previous modifications. Simply double-click again on a solid within the Edit mode to go back one additional step in the object's history. New in Vectorworks 2020, you can now edit the history of fillet, chamfer, and shell objects. In this example, this object was modeled using several solid operations, including multiple fillet and chamfer operations. When editing a chamfer, in the Object Info palette, you can directly adjust the setback of the chamfer. In some cases, you may have applied several chamfer operations to an object. Using the Highlight button in the Object Info palette, you can identify the edge you are editing. In addition, you can also modify which edge the chamfer is applied to. Just click the Modify button in the Object Info palette and choose the desired edge. You can also completely remove the chamfer edge by clicking the Remove button. Once you have completed your modification, you can use the Exit button at the top right of the drawing area to exit the current operation. If you are several operations deep into the history of a solid object, you can click on the Active Layer drop-down in the view bar to navigate through the history levels or exit to the top level of the object. As you exit, each operation is reapplied to the new modified geometry. Here you can see the fillet and chamfer operations applied to the modified object. Editing the history for fillet and shell operations is very similar. You'll have the same Highlight, Modify, and Remove options found in the Object Info palette. With the addition of history-based modeling for fillet, chamfer, and shell objects, you will find it even more efficient to model with Vectorworks 2020.